How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. If you'd like to add Payoneer payments to Shopify, you may follow up these steps. So you can go to Shopify admin for this, which is admin.shopify.com, and head over to settings. For that, look out for the menu at the top left, tap on it, and a menu appears. From here, select the option called settings and open up the settings for your Shopify like this. Now, once you open up settings, you may look out for the option called payments. So navigate to payments option and open it up. And once you select payments in the payments provider section, so here we have an option to choose a provider. Tap on payment provider, choose a provider. Here you can just go ahead and search for Payoneer or Payoneer checkout. So search for here, third party payment, Payoneer, this one right here. Tap on it. And here you can just go ahead and click on install or activate at the top right, and you will be guided to create a new Payoneer business account by providing your business and personal details. And after connecting your account, you can configure your settings and conduct a test transaction to ensure the integration is working correctly. So if you'd also like to add Payoneer payments to Shopify, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.